up, guys? It is day one of working on the new Buick, and today the first order of business is going to be getting this thing cleaned up. Now that she's looking a lot better, the next step is going to be to try to get rid of some of these warning lights that are on the dash. And the first one is oil level. I cannot check the oil level properly because this has a broken oil dipstick. So first I'm going to swap that dipstick and tube out. Then we're going to try to tackle the check engine light. The check engine light is on for two reasons. One was a mass airflow sensor, which I just very easily swapped out. I had an extra one sitting here, 2 screws on the top, in and out, mass airflow sensors, no problem. The second thing that I did was replace the Evap solenoid, the vent solenoid, which is back here in the back. So let me show you what I did for that. So the vent solenoid is right back here behind the side of the bumper here. And if we get down here and look, there is basically no room at all to get the camera in here, but right up there you should see in the corner, that's the Evap sensor right there. I mean solenoid. So because this is basically impossible to film in place, up there is where this is where this sits. Out here I'll show you what you have to do. You basically have to take this one bolt out right here. slide the whole thing forward and it falls down. Take that one electrical connector out and this one hose, and it's out. Then all we have to do is pry this little tab up and swap the new one onto this bracket. And with the new one swapped onto there, it's just a matter of replugging everything in, slipping this back in there, and putting that bolt back. And that is our first 2 warning lights off the dash. No low oil light and no check engine light. So that is day 1 of working on the Buick. The Buick is getting a little bit closer. Next video, I think we're going to be working on visibility because there's a wiper problem because the wipers do not work. And also because the headlights are really not very good. So drop this video a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you think of this series, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.